Oh my goodness, everybody is going crazy. Listen, you've probably heard there's some major changes going on in the real estate industry right now. Massive transformation happening. And use the word I hate using. It is very disruptive to the marketplace. And here's what I mean by that. So you've probably heard that Gary Keller recently stepped down from Keller Williams as their CEO. This happened just a few days ago here, and he's no longer going to be their CEO. They're restructuring. They're doing major restructuring and conglomerating everything into a new holding company called KWX, which is more internet based. So, a lot of agents have seen the massive changes that are going on. We're talking about instant cash offers, Zillow instant offers. Can you believe Realtor.com is now offering sell your house without a realtor? So, I mean, that's our association. That's NAR is now offering an instant cash offer for your house. So, my opinion, there's some massive changes going on. And judging, I'm looking at the article from Housing Wire. I'm sure you've seen it. I don't know if I can turn this thing around to show you what I'm looking at on my computer here. This is from Housing Wire right here. Gary Keller steps back from Keller Williams amid major corporate restructuring. And what it talks about down here is it talks about the fact that they're losing business to all of these startup companies, Berkshire Hathaway, Compass, EXP, and they've been slow to adapt to shifts in technology. And again, when you look at like Realtor.com, here's Realtor.com right here, literally right there on their website, Realtor.com. The freedom to sell your way. Simply enter your address and you can sell without an agent. You have a couple of options. List with an agent, sell with ease, or sell in any condition. That's for an instant offer. So what sounds easier for you? What sounds better for you? List with an agent or sell with ease? No showings, no prep work. Which one sounds better to you? So what happens is, I'm just going to put in an old address I was in years ago in Ohio. So what happens is, and I know this is my shoddy camera work here, when you enter your address, it puts in all the details, and you can just say whatever your mortgage balance is and what condition you're in. And it's going to instantly sell your home through various approaches, which includes multiple companies. WeBuyHouses.com. They're selling the lead there. They're not giving it to realtors anymore. Right? So lots and lots of different options available that way. But here's what you need to know. And of course, I'm getting calls while I'm doing a live here. But here's what you need to know about the business. If Gary Keller is leaving, and again, this is just my opinion. This is just what I'm reading online, what I've heard. Obviously, I've got thousands of agents that I coach all over the country from Keller Williams and abroad. But there are massive changes going on. Many of you know our coaching retreat that's coming up here very soon, less than 30 days away. I'm doing an entire session on how do we compete with these cash offers and these instant offers and sell your house without an agent and all that. Because look, they're taking market share. These deals are going through. It's so easy for us to sit back and say, oh, well, they don't have the customer service I have. They're lowball off. How are they doing thousands and thousands of successful closings? More than your entire brokerage is closing. They're closing tons of transactions. So, it's real easy for you to sit at home by yourself and end up starving to death through extinction. It's real easy for you to sit at home on your computer thinking you're in real estate, not being tuned into what's actually going on in the marketplace. There are massive changes going on. If I owned a huge brokerage, maybe I'd be selling right now. I don't know. I know that Gary Keller is stepping down as CEO. Again, this is just my opinion based on what I'm reading and what I'm seeing here. But there have been some massive changes and there have been massive disruptions happening in the marketplace. If you are a real estate agent and Realtor.com is advertising, sell your damn house without an agent, that's scary as can be. I think everybody will agree with that. So, do this. If you believe there are massive changes happening in the marketplace right now, give me the thumbs up. Hit the like button right now. If you think there are massive changes going on in the market and you need to adjust in order to compensate for that, to do a good job as a real estate agent, to do a great job for your clients, we know we're good at what we do. We know we provide the best service. We can probably sell the home for the most amount of money because obviously we're able to get the marketing and the exposure and get it in front of the most opportune buyers. If you believe there's some massive massive changes, I want you to hit the thumbs up button here and let me know, because you have to make adjustments to what you are doing. I did a video a couple of weeks ago about the fact that Zillow is doing instant offers. There's like Open Door and all of these companies that are coming in, and they're saying, we'll give you full appraised value for your house minus commissions as well as a convenience fee. And they're closing over 1,000 transactions per local marketplace, which means over 2,000 transaction sides, because there's a buyer and a seller. Many times they're relisting that home, so it's 3,000 transactions. They're now going public. They're now on the open stock market, and they're bringing in billions of dollars that they can advertise. They'll have every billboard. They'll have every television commercial. And by the way, I know somebody's going to comment, this fear-mongering isn't a good look. Why don't you go tell Gary Keller that? Why don't you go tell Gary Keller that, oh, maybe we're just trying to fear people? No, you need to have a reality check with yourself. I don't believe real estate agents are ever going away. I don't believe that's going to happen. But you will need to massively change what it is that you're doing. So I want to be really clear about that. You should be scared to death if you're trying to do it the way you did it 5 years ago. But you should be optimistic as can be if you're making the changes that need to be made. I'm preparing right now for the upcoming coaching retreat, and I've got a whole session. We're covering about a half of a day on this. It's a 2-day retreat, but we're covering like a half a day on this, on how do we make those changes for all of the new competition that's not like fake, just out there and it's going to go away like a flash in the pan. These people are doing more business than you. They're doing more business likely than your entire brokerage. So you have to be up on that and know what you need to do. But there are massive changes going on right now. By the way, a couple of things I want to share with you here real quick. Number one, if you think a realtor friend of yours needs to see this message, do me a favor and do them a favor and share this with them, because I've got some articles that I'll have, some trainings that are coming up to show you how to beat this. You can get on those trainings for free. I don't need any money. I'm good. So I'll get you on those trainings for free. I'll get them on those trainings for free. That's why you're hitting the thumbs up button here. So those of you that are interested, share it with a friend, a realtor friend. Share it with your office, your brokerage, your broker, him or herself if you want, because this is not going to be about surviving. This is going to be about thriving. How do you really take advantage of the opportunities that are out there today? So make sure you share it, tag somebody in the comments here, whatever you need to do to get that in front of them. And if you aren't closing the kind of business you want to close right now, I want you to go to getfastclosings.com. It's probably in the description here somewhere, www.getfastclosings.com. There's a 40-minute training video that will show you free marketing approaches to get you business right now, to get you immediate revenue. So again, Gary Keller stepping down from Keller Williams. Realtor.com is now offering instant cash offers. Don't list your house with a realtor. Zillow, who took money from us for years, is offering instant cash offers. You don't have to list your house. Open Door, Red Bricks, Purple, all of this stuff that's out there right now. What are you going to do to make the changes? Because I know you'll make money. I know you'll be massively successful if you know how to tune into what's working today. We are internet-based. No question about it. 100% of people buying and selling start on the internet. They're not starting from a postcard. They're not starting from asking a coworker anymore. That's why referrals are down. They're still there, but they're going to continuously drop as well. So here's what I want to know. You've heard my thoughts about this. Hopefully things work out well with Keller Williams and Gary Keller and all of these companies. I'm pretty mad at Realtor.com. This is our own association selling our leads to competing companies. And if you walk through that process on their website, it's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. So I want to know your thoughts. You've heard a little bit about my thoughts. Leave your comments here. I'd like to know what your thoughts are. Tell me what you think about where the market's going, what we should do to adjust, because it's not enough to say, well, I provide superior customer service and we really care about the client. The client's never going to know that if they don't meet you. I agree you're really good, but the client is never going to know that if you don't get an opportunity at them. If multi-billion-dollar companies suck up all the advertising and get in front of them to make it so much easier, much like a Carvana or LegalZoom or something like that, I don't care how good you are if you don't have that access. So even though we're doing really well, and many of you know, like I know a lot of you watching, you're closing lots of transactions, we're feeling a little bit of a pinch because when you go on those appointments, they say, well, we've been thinking about the instant offer thing. We want to check that first. So I'm happy to see everybody that's doing really well, but I'd like to know your thoughts on this and what kind of adjustments you think you should make. Leave your comments here and let me know. I would love your opinion. You've heard a little bit about mine. I'd like to hear a little bit about yours. Again, you can see this stuff online. All I'm going on is what I'm reading from, housingwire.com. The article you can clearly see there, as well as some of the agents that I've talked to that have a little bit of an inside scoop here, TLs and that type of thing. So anyway, would love your thoughts. I'd love to help you in growing your business as well. That's what we're here for. I want to provide the info and I want to provide opportunity. I want to provide change for you in your marketplace. So those of you that are interested in selling some more houses, many of you have seen all the testimonials and the videos from agents. I was with Greg for 3 days. We started selling more houses. All that stuff is free marketing. Just go do it. I don't sell you leads or anything like that. Go do it. Just utilize that approach. Go to getfastclosings.com. Watch that 40 minutes. Maybe you can make a little game changer happen for yourself here this week and not have to worry about the disruption that's happening in the marketplace. Get busy, stay busy, feel confident with what you're doing. But even if you are one of those agents right now, we've got members right now doing 15, 20 closings a month. You'll see them at the retreat, by the way. Even if that's you, you got to be adjusting, because people are going to come and get your lunch. So we've got some video training coming up for those of you that are Inner Circle members with us. If you're with Greg Luther Inner Circle, I've got some video trainings coming up on this very soon. And many of you know, we're going to be doing that cash offers too. So we'll be okay. So I'll give you some details on that coming up. Check out getfastclosings.com. Let's make this a profitable week for you. Any questions you have, reach out to me directly. You can reach me here via, what's it called? Direct message, I guess. Hit me up and let's talk. I'd like to hear your opinion. I'm going to read through all of these when I'm done, by the way. So I'd love your opinion on where you think the business is going and more importantly, how you'll capitalize, because you'll always be there. You'll always make money. I think you'll always be successful if you're taking the right actions, but there are going to be some stresses on our marketplace. No question about it. And these things are here to last, and they're public, giving them billions of dollars that is not their own money that they can waste on stupid crap that doesn't work. So they will get market share. So we need to know how to adjust. My members, we're not worried at all. We're going to do just fine. So retreat's coming up soon. I'm so excited to see everybody there, work with you on growing your business, and we're going to be gobbling up more market share ourselves, because a lot of people are going to sit at home by themselves, playing around on the internet, and wonder what happened with their business. So go out and make some money. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. I'm Greg Luther, and we'll talk to you soon. www.getfastclosings.com. We'll see you. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.